Get social with Me Marketing. Get social with Me Marketing, specializing in social media management, branding, and presentation. Founder Tara Cribbs holds a monthly mixer for businesses, artists, writers, and entrepreneurs. She helps companies and individuals with their perception of social media marketing and its proper use in the social media marketplace. Tara shares powerful tools to spread the word-of-mouth buzz, practical tips to establish social cred on Facebook, and steps to increase profits by attracting new fans. Participants will learn that social media networks are not a platform to blast their sales pitch, but a platform to build profitable relationships. Her presentations are packed with practical takeaway tips, colorful visuals, embedded video clips, a group activity, and case studies. This is a great networking opportunity. So to become a guest speaker, sponsor, or guest, please call Tara Cribbs directly at 678-837-6718 or email Tara@getsocialwithme.com to get your questions answered.